Just wanted to take you inside 1609 McNeil, which is a new listing that came on the market today. This 1,840 square foot home, 3-bedroom, huge backyard. Love to take you on a tour today. If you have any questions, give us a call. Hey, welcome to 1609 Strong. It has an updated property that has a nod to the mid-century flair. And when we come in the front door here to our right, we have a dining room. And this dining room can actually be an additional family room if you prefer, because off of the kitchen they use it for an office, but it's big enough for a dining room as well, and I'll take you through that. We have some built-in cabinets here. I'm going to take you to the updated kitchen where it has these beautiful cabinets, solid surface countertops with the backsplash, cooktop. All these appliances are new as well. We have cabinets that are built-ins for lots of space. Pantry. This is our door to the garage here off of the kitchen. So this is the look view of the kitchen, looking back over that dining room and the front door with the bookshelves. This is the office they have off of the kitchen to the right. It could be a formal dining as well, and it has the chandelier. Now this dining room actually overlooks the family room, which is a sunken family room. You can tell on the flooring it is a sealed concrete. If that's not your taste, it's about a $10,000 to $11,000 update for flooring unless you get super fancy. We have a fireplace over here that is wood burning, but they use candles in it. I'm going to take you to the backyard. It's a nice, private, spacious backyard with a nice covered patio. Plenty of room for a pool if that is something you would like to add. You can see back there's a stratosphere in the picture, but nice, spacious patio for those outdoor barbecues, entertaining with family. You can have that indoor-outdoor experience with this space. We're going to go back up these stairs and go. This is the front door where we come in. And to the left of that is a hallway that takes you to the bedrooms, bathrooms. So we have a bedroom here on my right. Nice, spacious, has blinds, closet with organizers. And then across from this bedroom is the updated bathroom. New cabinets here, dual sink, backsplash, updated fixtures, and it has a shower and tub combo. And then I'm going to take you here. You can see the hallway cabinet space, original knobs, storage. Here is another secondary bedroom. Again, it has the same closet organizers and picture of Paul Rudd there. Blinds, ceiling fans. Home has a Creston system for lighting. Those will all be labeled for you soon. And then we have the master bedroom. As you can see, lots of space here. A window looking out the front of the property. This bathroom has been updated as well. Cabinet, sink, fixtures. And then the tile has been updated with new, fresh white subway tile as well. So that is a tour of our 1609 Strong. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 702-838-7700.